Hi guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. Happy Thursday. It's the second week of 2018. And I am back, guys, with Pure Profit Pro. Just want to show you in action. I have right here, this is 200 postcards. I'm actually at the post office, and I had to put some stamps on these cards. I'm not going to reveal the ad copy because I'm using a specific domain and a specific phone number for this postcard marketing campaign. I've already sent out, and I should have did a video for it, but I've already sent out 300 postcards last week, the first week in January of 2018, and I'm going to be sending out 200 every week for Pure Profit Pro. Okay, I have a specific card with specific ad copy on it that will promote Pure Profit Pro using postcard marketing. So just wanted to show you guys, as you can see the stamps. So this is real. Okay, the leads are already on them, and I'm actually going to drop these in the mail. And every week I'm going to commit to 200 postcards every week for Pure Profit Pro. Now I'm still doing my online marketing, guys, my paid advertising. Okay, I'm just adding this to what I'm already doing. Okay, but you can just pick one marketing method, whatever that is, whether it's going to be paid traffic or you just want to do postcards. You can do that, and it's going to drive people to your website. That's what the ultimate goal is. The more people that look at your website, the greater chances of getting the sales. Okay, but it's a numbers game. So just stay committed to whatever it is you're doing, whatever that method is, just stay committed to it. But anyway, just want to show you, I'm actually mailing postcards for Pure Profit Pro. And if you join me in Pure Profit Pro, I'll give you my template. I'll give you the whole system on what I'm using, the mailing list I'm using, everything, okay? So check it out. I'm going to put the link below, though, for Pure Profit Pro so you can actually check out the presentation and see what it's all about. It is an online business, though, okay? Digital franchise, digital education. You can make $250, $500, or $1,000 commissions. It's only 3 levels. That's what I like about it. So the lowest you can make is $250, okay? So go ahead, click that link below. Check out Pure Profit Pro. Reach out to me if you're interested in joining and actually using my postcard marketing methods that I'm using. All right. Thanks, guys. Take care. Have a great day. Stick to your goals. See you on the next video. All right. Bye-bye.